Striving for excellence, seeking for innovation, HUBEI GUANGHONG Technology Corporation Limited, located in HUBEI, Wuhan City, is one of the major manufacturers and suppliers for passive fiber optical products. We have fiber array PLC splitters, FBT splitters, Fiber Optical Patch Cords, MTP Patch Cords, Optical Distribution Box, Fiber Optic Assemblies, and other fiber optic processing tools. Our factory is established in 2017 and has built 10 production lines, with more than 600 working staff, a total production area about 15,000 square meters, which is in compliance with ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. Our company has dozens of patented processing techniques and a group of experienced engineers who have been working in this field for more than 15 years, and we have some young talents joining our R&D team every year. They work together to upgrade and develop new processing techniques, which help us to improve our quality level and develop new products. GUANGHONG can provide full set passive equipment according to ODM network topology and support one-stop service. From designing, sample production, order production, quality testing, and packaging to shipping. In the past 4 years, our fiber optical products have been exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and Middle East countries, and our quality have been highly recognized by clients from home and abroad. In future, GUANGHONG will continue to create a people-oriented working environment and promote technology innovation in this field, expected to become one of the global leading suppliers for ODM products.
Hi, my dear friends, how are you? My name is Leslie. I'm from HUBEI GUANGHONG Tech. Our company is a manufacturer and a supplier for Fiber Optical Products to produce PLC splitters, patch cords, and distribution boxes. Welcome and tell us for inquiry. We can offer you better price and quality. Thank you.